Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Asian style crispy tofu. Ingredients are 500 grams firm tofu, spring onion, 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 cup of water, sesame oil, liquid aminos or soy sauce, honey, Chinese cooking wine, and chili garlic sauce. The first step is drain your tofu. And then wrap it with kitchen towel and put something heavy on top of it to release the water from the tofu. Check the kitchen towel every 15 to 30 minutes and do this for around 2 hours. Remember guys, tofu is like a sponge. Since it was soaked in water for a long time, we need to remove as much water as possible. In my case, I used a frying pan as something heavy. This is a very important process to make sure our tofu is crispy. Now, cut your tofu into cubes around 2 by 2 centimeters or according to your preferred size. And then dredge your tofu in cornstarch. Do this piece by piece to make sure each cut tofu is well coated. Just like in real life, we should treat each other equally. Charot! Now, put around 5 tablespoons of sesame oil in your hot pan. Put in your tofu, but do not overcrowd your pan. Give the tofu some space. Di lang couples ang need ng space, tofu din. While frying, you can now start mixing your sauce. In your mixing bowl, put together 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, or you can add more if you want it spicier. And then 3 tablespoons of liquid aminos or soy sauce. I used liquid aminos as a healthy option. Add in 2 teaspoons of honey. Then add in 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, 5 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We will also be needing 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Sorry, last minute ko lang siya na-decide ang lagyan. So by this time, I am done frying my third batch of tofu. You can now put back all the fried tofus in the pan and pour in the mixed sauce. Now, this part is totally optional. I just wanted to put a little pork on my tofu to make it like Tokwa't Baboy. I just want to give a different texture. Once the sauce thickens, transfer it in your heated sizzling pan, if you have. Or in my case, sa serving plate lang. Malapit na birthday ko, sana may mag-sponsor ng sizzling plate. #Pekenmen. So here it is, Asian style crispy tofu. I recommend you to serve and eat this right away while it's still sizzling or hot. Best paired with beer siguro. I hope you'll try this recipe as your pulutan or ulam. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new recipe. Always remember, just cook it. Until my next video, ta-ta!